Welcome to Techleaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up environmental variables for Java on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So for this process, you have to make sure you have already installed Java on your system. And after that, just go to the installation directory. For example, this is for me. I have installed Java here, as you can see right here. Then inside this, you'll find a folder called bin. Just go inside it. Then just go to the directory and copy the file directory. And then just minimize this, and then just go to your search and search for View Advanced Settings. And from View Advanced System Settings, just open it up. From here, you'll find Environmental Variables. Just click on this. From here, under System Variables, you'll find Path. Just click on it and click on Edit. From here, you can add a new path. Just click on New. Then just paste your path over here. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Then just click on OK here as well. Then just go to your search and search for CMD and open up CMD. Then just type this command Java ---- version and hit enter. This should come up with the Java version if it worked. As you can see, it did for me, so it worked. And that's basically it. And that is how to set up environmental variables for Java on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.